name is Bavani Chellaiah and I'm from Tunku Rahman University College. And I'm here to talk about how biotechnology are there to brighten up our future. So before I get into my content, I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever think or have you ever imagined our current situation without the presence of biotechnologists? Definitely cannot. It's too terrible to think that, since their contribution to the world and also to the society are really huge and speechless. We can't ignore that. They are there to complete our lifestyle by fulfilling our daily needs. Let it be in any kind of field, like medicine, agriculture, or etc. And let me take this COVID-19 pandemic as one of the best examples to fit my today's content. So, as well known that our country's today's hot news is vaccine for COVID-19. Am I right? And have you realized that this world there to fight to combat this COVID-19 for almost 1 year, but the war still never ends. But our biotechnologists, the superheroes, are there to find out a complicated vaccine to treat this stubborn virus. Am I right? Do you know how they made it possible? They applied their knowledge in plant biotechnology by producing SARS-CoV-2 antigen that could be used to make the vaccine by developing some therapeutic responses to the virus. One of the plants they use is Nicotiana bentamina, one of the tobacco plant, to produce this vaccine. As we all know that they have proved that this tobacco plant have diagnostic reagents that can be used to produce vaccine and antiviral to treat some symptomatic patients. And have you ever imagined a small plant can be a biggest weapon to treat this stubborn virus? No, right? But this biotechnology had made it possible. We can't ignore it. So their contribution are not only until that, they also made a huge difference and make a huge contribution in agriculture field too. And today's farmers, producers, and also consumers like us are getting benefits from every single agriculture biotechnology they are using nowadays. Am I right? And we can't ignore that this genetically engineered crop also make farming profitable by increasing and also improving the quality of crop and also increases the yields. Am I right? And ladies and gentlemen, not only until that, there are several techniques our biotechnology have introduced to the agriculture field only to improve and to increase the quality of crop, such as genetic engineering and molecular diagnostics and this vaccination to prevent and to reduce the usage of pesticides that can be very harmful for our health. And apart from that, during this COVID-19 pandemic, we can't ignore that farmers and also food processing agents are like unable to perform their work due to this lockdown restrictions. We can't ignore it. But our biotechnologies techniques such as tissue culture and all that helps those farmers to get profit through these difficult times and also to make sure there is adequate amount of food supply for us to continue our daily life through this difficult time. We can't ignore it. So yes, apart from that, this by maintaining the adequate amount of food supply, they are ensuring a stable economic structure in everyone's country. We can't ignore it. So their contribution to the world is huge and speechless. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.